Welcome to our video guide on how to keep your Windows 11 machine updated. Regular updates are essential for improving security, performance, and overall user experience. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to ensure your Windows 11 machine stays up to date. Step 1. Automatic updates. Windows 11 offers automatic updates by default, which is the easiest way to keep your machine updated. To enable automatic updates, follow these steps. 1. Click on the Start button in the taskbar. 2. Select Settings from the Start menu. 3. In the Settings window, click on Windows Update from the left-hand side menu. 4. In the Windows Update settings, make sure the toggle switch for automatically download and install updates is turned on. Step 2. Check for updates manually. While automatic updates are great, you may also want to check for updates manually, especially if you suspect your machine is not up to date. Here's how to do it. 1. Open the Start menu and click on Settings. 2. In the Settings window, select Windows Update from the left-hand side menu. 3. Click on the Check for Updates button. Windows will then search for available updates. Step 3. Installing updates. Once Windows finds available updates, it's time to install them. Here's how. 1. In the Windows Update settings, click on Install Now if updates are available. 2. Windows will start downloading and installing the updates. This may take some time, depending on the size and number of updates. 3. Once the installation is complete, your machine may require a restart. Save any ongoing work and click on the Restart Now button if prompted. Step 4. Advanced Options. Windows 11 provides advanced options to customize your update experience. Let's explore them. 1. In the Windows Update settings, click on Advanced Options. 2. Here, you can choose whether to receive updates for other Microsoft products, pause updates for a specific period, or even set a specific time for updates to occur. 3. It's important to strike a balance between staying up to date and not interrupting your work, so customize these options as per your preferences. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can ensure your Windows 11 machine stays updated with the latest features, enhancements, and security patches. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay updated for a seamless Windows 11 experience.